to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a DIY chalkboard that's going to go on our fridge. So in front of me is the chalkboard, a pair of scissors, a screwdriver, some metallic paint, some gloves, a small brush, a magnetic tape, the shopping sticker I'm going to put on, and some chalk when it's all finished. So first of all, what I'm going to do is just unwrap the chalkboard out of its packaging. Now I'm going to open my paint and put the scissors off to the side. We've done with them. And I've got a lovely metallic silver here. I'm just going to pop my gloves on. The next stage is to paint the frame. This is just a plain wooden frame. I'm just going to give my paint a little stir. Use a piece of paper down in the corners. So now I've given my chalkboard 2 coats of the paint and I'm just going to allow it time to dry. So I'm just going to wash my brush, get rid of my paper and tidy up. See you in a bit. Given my board 2 coats of paint and it's all dry now. So what I'm going to do is just flip it over and put my magnetic tape on it. I'm just going to remove this tape is taped already. Peel the tape off. until I've got magnets on. I'm just going to flip it over. Find the bit I want to be on the top. And peel my decal off. So now I've got my decal off, and I'm just going to position it into place. Give it a press down just so the letters stick onto the board. And then very gently what you want to do is just peel the top off, and hopefully it's stuck down. So what you can do is just use the non-sticky side, put it back on top, and just give it a firm press down. So that is how to make yourself a magnetic chopping board. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'm going to go and try it out with some of my chalk just to see what it looks like, and hopefully it'll be a vast improvement to our last one. I'll insert a picture just now of what we had before. But hopefully this is going to look amazing on our kitchen fridge now. Thank you for watching. Please do give this a big like if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification just to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos I post. See you soon, bye!